Thank you so much, Toastmaster Karun. Toastmaster Aditi also has 4 to 6 minutes, like the previous evaluator, and her speech title is From Dusk Till Dawn to Dawn. So I also request every one of you to please give Toastmaster Ankita a virtual round of applause. From Dusk to Dawn, Toastmaster Aditi, from Dusk to Dawn.
Thank you
Floor
so
is
much.
yours.
Thank you so much. Am I audible? Okay.
Yes, you are.
I have learned that people will forget what you said. People will forget what you did. But people will never forget how you made them feel. And that feeling, if it is positive one, will change your life forever. And if it is negative, will change your life forever too. And that totally depends on your perception of how you take it. A very good evening to fellow Toastmasters. I am Aditi Rathore from Jodhpur, and today I'm going to present in front of you all an icebreaker speech from dusk to dawn. So many years ago, I was a person who was really shy and introvert, and that thing really disturbed. I was not teacher's apple of eye, had just one friend, and was completely unnoticeable in a class of 20. And that thing did really hurt. Like every child, even I had some talent, but that needed to be discovered, but I didn't have any guidance. So years went by and I grew up to be a great observer. I would speak less, observe more. And there I started to explore. I'm thankful to my Sophia College for giving us ample of opportunities to excel, and they equally acknowledged us. And that helped me to come out of my shell. So after my graduation, I opted for management for self-advancement. Now here, self-advancement means to be confident, and it has nothing to do with being sapient. Believe me, I never wanted to go for work. All I wanted was to settle down with family and roam around the world. But as usual, life is not a bed of roses. And I realized this thing when I got married. So with no second thought, I changed my mind from being a homemaker to a working woman with tenacity. And for that matter, I thank the support of my family. So I tried my hands on IT and I failed. I opened my spoken English institute and I failed again. And I knew the reason of my failure back then. Because my interest lied in imparting education and making a difference in society. But all I was doing was things of variety without giving my passion a priority. So I sat down, wrote the vision and goals I wanted to achieve. And that's when Aditi's Silver Bells was manifested. My dream. Wow, it was right in front of my eyes. Magnificent, marvelous, amazing. I nurtured it as my own child. Now, in the school, I did not want any educator or children to face the situation which I faced. I wanted everyone to believe in themselves, to be firm-minded, determined, and passionate. Because I believe for raising confident and determined children, you must have an amazing set of educators, and which is why I cherry-picked my facilitators. My teachers were all from very simple background, who want to work, who were pro and diligent, but their confidence was shattered within the four walls of their home. So God gave me an opportunity to change lives of many, and I became their ardent supporter, and together we all started our journey. Today, I'm proud to say that we have evolved over a period of 5 years. Now the introverts have become good and confident speakers. The passionate, the pessimists have become optimists. And now the really sad ones knows how to be happy in all the situations. Oh, that self-assurance gave me immense satisfaction. The tremendous transformation emancipated them from the shackles of waver and doubt. And the result needs to give a big shout out. So I learned that after dusk comes the dawn. the wheel of fate keeps on moving in circular motion. I also believe that this is not the end, and learning should always be in trend. That's when I sat and retrospected and connected the dots in peace. I got to know about a wonderful platform known as Toastmasters, where learning never ceases. Now, so in a nutshell, I would like to speak a few lines about what Toastmaster is and why am I so privileged and happy being a part of this. So it's a platform which gives wings to your talent, which will make you a great observer and an ardent speaker with self-assurance. With your tenacious and marvelous speaking and leadership skills, you will be acknowledged for a journey of sapient transformation, which would emancipate you from the fear of speaking and being heard. And for that matter, as a result, the whole world will give a great shout out to all the Toastmasters. Here it is. Thank you.
Thank you, Toastmaster Aditi, for that speech. Our final speaker for today is Toastmaster Ashmina Dahal Chatri, who is from Kathmandu Toastmasters Club. Toastmaster Ashmina is also giving her icebreaker level 1.